Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to publish a Weebly website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here, weebly.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So at the main page, you want to log into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, just create a new one. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here of your created website. So at the left side screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as overview, website, items, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started publishing our website. Once you are in the overview section right here, guys, in this home page, what we are looking for is we want to click on the edit site button right here in the upper right corner. By clicking on edit site, it's going to open up this editor for your website that's going to enable you to edit your website and where you can get started with editing everything you need. So it's going to look like this. This is the main preview of the edit option, and now we can get started. So here's how it looks. Here you can get started managing your header, site design, and so on. You want to set up everything as how you want it to look. So once you have set up everything and it looks according to your taste, what we can do guys is now in the upper right corner get started publishing by clicking the publish button. So once you click the publish button, this is going to enable you to set up your domain if you're not already, and once you're ready you can publish it to the domain, and then everybody will be able to access your website and it's going to be live. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.